Hello and welcome back to Nutrinova TV. Are you currently following a ketogenic diet? Or perhaps you're considering starting one to achieve your weight loss and health goals? Today, we're going to dive deep into the ketogenic lifestyle, highlighting some common pitfalls that could potentially derail your progress. Whether you're just beginning your keto journey or you consider yourself a keto veteran, understanding and avoiding these common missteps is crucial to ensuring you achieve the maximum benefits from this powerful dietary strategy. By the end of this video, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ketogenic diet successfully and avoid common errors that could slow down or even reverse your results. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health tips and dietary advice, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights that could make a difference in your fitness journey. One, misunderstanding keto's true nature. First up, let's clear a major misconception. The ketogenic diet is not just a low-carb diet. It's a strategically balanced, high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carb diet. Many beginners dive into keto thinking that merely cutting carbs is the key, but this is a common pitfall. Neglecting the importance of adequately high-fat intake and controlling protein levels can eject you from ketosis, significantly stalling your progress. Remember, the essence of ketosis lies in shifting your body's primary fuel source from glucose to ketones, which involves more than just avoiding carbohydrates. It's essential to understand that while reducing carbs is a fundamental aspect, the ketogenic diet primarily focuses on fat as the main source of energy, making up about 70 to 80% of your total caloric intake. This high-fat requirement is critical because it encourages your body to enter and maintain a state of ketosis, where it efficiently burns fat for energy instead of glucose. On the other hand, protein should be consumed in moderation. Too much protein can lead to gluconeogenesis, where the body converts excess protein into glucose, potentially knocking you out of ketosis. Furthermore, achieving the right macronutrient balance is crucial for optimizing your metabolic health and ensuring that your body remains fat-burning. This balance helps to stabilize energy levels and prevent common side effects such as fatigue or brain fog. Therefore, understanding and implementing the correct proportions of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates are paramount in reaping the full benefits of the ketogenic lifestyle. By focusing on this balance, you can better support your body's transition to ketosis and enhance your overall health results. 2. The hidden carbs trap. Next, let's delve deeper into the hidden carbs dilemma. It's deceptively easy to surpass your daily carbohydrate limits unknowingly, especially with foods labeled as low carb. These products often contain hidden sugars and starches that accumulate quickly, subtly undermining your ketogenic efforts. For instance, many sugar-free snacks compensate for taste with ingredients like maltitol or sorbitol, which can impact blood sugar levels similarly to regular sugar. Furthermore, common condiments such as ketchup, BBQ sauce, and even some mustards may be packed with added sugars, despite their savory nature. Salad dressings, too, are notorious for containing sugars and unhealthy fats, which can disrupt your ketosis without you even realizing it. Therefore, it is imperative to scrutinize labels and understand every component of what you're eating. But it's not just processed foods that can trip you up. Natural foods can also pose a challenge. Certain vegetables believed to be keto-friendly, like tomatoes and onions, have higher carb counts that can add up throughout the day. Nuts, while nutritious and keto-approved, are another example where portion control is crucial. Cashews, pistachios, and even almonds contain higher carb counts that could potentially push you beyond your daily carb goal if not measured. To navigate this hidden carb trap effectively, it's crucial to stay vigilant and informed about the foods you incorporate into your keto diet. Aim to keep your carbohydrate intake within 5 to 10% of your total daily calories, focusing on high-fiber, low-net carb vegetables and using nuts sparingly. By managing your carb intake meticulously, you can maintain a state of ketosis and continue to progress towards your health and weight loss goals. 3. Dairy dilemmas. Now, let's address the often misunderstood role of dairy in a ketogenic diet. While dairy products like cheese and butter are staples in the keto diet because of their high fat and relatively low carbohydrate content, it's crucial to approach dairy consumption with caution. These foods are not only rich in fats, but are also extremely calorie dense, which means it's easy to consume more energy than you expend without realizing it. Moderation is essential, as excessive intake can lead to a caloric surplus. Even if you're in ketosis, if you consume more calories than your body needs, weight loss can stall, or you might even gain weight. Moreover, the proteins found in dairy, namely whey and casein, have a significant impact on insulin levels. This is critical because one of the primary objectives of the ketogenic diet is to minimize insulin spikes, which facilitates greater fat burning. Elevated insulin levels can act counter to this goal by promoting fat storage rather than fat burning. Additionally, some individuals might find they have sensitivities to dairy, which can manifest in inflammation or digestive issues, further complicating their health and diet goals. Therefore, while incorporating dairy into your ketogenic diet, it's vital to not only monitor the quantity, but also observe how your body responds to it. Opt for full-fat versions to keep carbs in check and integrate them into your diet in a way that doesn't lead to caloric excess. Always keep in mind that the successful implementation of a ketogenic diet hinges on more than just macronutrient manipulation. It requires a thoughtful approach to overall calorie balance and metabolic responses. 4. Overeating keto-friendly foods. Next, let's delve into the trap of overeating keto-friendly foods. It's a common misconception that you can eat unlimited amounts of foods like avocados, cheese, and nuts just because they are low in carbs. While these foods are indeed keto-friendly due to their high fat and low carb content, they are also very calorie dense. Consuming these foods without restraint can easily lead to consuming more calories than your body expends, which can cause weight gain instead of loss. It's crucial to remember that successful weight loss on any diet, including keto, hinges on creating a caloric deficit where you burn more calories than you consume. Therefore, portion control becomes essential even with keto-friendly foods. Measuring servings and being mindful of the caloric and fat content of your meals will help ensure you don't accidentally overeat. Moreover, while these foods are nutritious and beneficial in moderation, their overconsumption can not only stall your progress, but also lead to other health issues such as elevated cholesterol levels. To avoid these pitfalls, incorporate a variety of foods in your diet to balance your nutrient intake, and always be conscious of portion sizes. Using tools like food scales and calorie tracking apps can be incredibly helpful in keeping you within your daily caloric goals. This approach will help you maintain a balanced diet that supports both weight loss and overall health. 5. Skimping on fats. Lastly, a crucial aspect of the ketogenic diet that is often overlooked is the adequate consumption of fats. The fundamental principle of keto is not merely reducing carbohydrate intake, but substantially increasing fat intake to replace those carbs. This shift is essential because it transitions your body into a state of ketosis, where fats are burned for energy instead of glucose. Without a high fat intake, maintaining ketosis becomes challenging, potentially leading to the common pitfalls of insufficient ketosis, such as energy slumps and symptoms of the keto flu. For your body to successfully make this metabolic switch, fats should constitute approximately 70 to 80% of your daily caloric intake. This doesn't mean just adding more butter or oil to your food. It means carefully selecting quality sources of fat that can also provide other nutritional benefits. Sources like avocados, seeds, nuts, fatty fish, and olive oil not only help sustain ketosis, but also support overall health with their nutrient profiles. Moreover, not consuming enough fats can make the ketogenic diet unsustainable in the long term, as fats play a crucial role in the satiety and flavor of meals. If you find yourself hungry or unsatisfied with meals, you might be skimping on fats, which can lead to overeating or reaching for non-keto-friendly options. To prevent this, ensure your meals are balanced and adequately planned. Using tools like macro tracking apps can help you monitor your fat intake to ensure you are on track while allowing you to make necessary adjustments based on how your body responds. This proactive approach helps you stay energized, avoid the keto flu, and successfully burn fat for energy. So, are you making any of these keto mistakes? Now that you're aware of these common pitfalls, you're better equipped to navigate your ketogenic journey more effectively and achieve your fat loss goals with greater success. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with friends, family, or anyone you know who's embarking on or struggling with a ketogenic diet. Your support helps us bring more such content that can make a real difference in people's lives. Don't forget to subscribe to Nutrinova TV for a wealth of insights on nutrition and health. We're here to help you stay informed and inspired. Drop your questions or share your experiences with the keto diet in the comments below. We're eager to hear about your journey and discuss ways we can support each other. Thanks for tuning into Nutrinova TV. Remember, gaining the right knowledge is your most powerful tool on your health journey. Stay curious, stay motivated, and let's transform our lives together. See you in the next video.